Hey everyone, and welcome to the next stage of our build on our Kit guitar. Today we are putting Dunlop Fretboard 65 Ultimate Lemon Oil on our fretboard. Now this is a great product. It's super easy to use. We just shake it up, turn it upside down. There's an applicator on the end, and we put the oil right onto the fretboard, and then I've got an old t-shirt, and we just wipe it off and wipe it down. Now you can tell this ebony wood fretboard, it's just soaking this oil up. And even the side, you can see it's not a banded fretboard. So that edge of the fretboard is super soaking that oil in. So we did a second application. We just went back. It says to dot the oil on there. I like rubbing it on there a little bit and then rubbing it in some more with the cloth. And once we did it, check, this thing came alive. Look at that. Just look at it. It looks amazing. Just amazing. Hey, thanks a lot for being here and watching this. We are having a blast building this guitar. And if you like this, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Join us as we're doing even more on the guitar. We hope to see you here next time. Till then, take care.